Today we are discussing the relation between the square and the square root. What is the relation between the square and the square roots? So a square root is the inverse function of a square. In a square of 10 is 100 and a square root of 100 is 10. Suppose here, example, a square of 10. A square of 10. 10 square is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100. But a square root of 100 is equal to under root 10 into 10 is equal to 10. So a square root of 100 is 10, a square of 10 is 100. In this figure, you can understand very clearly that the square of the 10 is 100 and the square root of the 100 is 10. So we can see the another example also. We can see for another example, suppose 8 square is equal to 8 into 8 is equal to 64 and under root 64, the square root of 64 is equal to the square root 8 into 8 is equal to 8. So a square of 8 is 64 and the square root of 64 is 8. Just inverse. The square of 8 is 64, the square root of 64 is 8. Again, the square of 100 is equal to 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. Again, the square root of 10,000 is equal to 100 into 100 is equal to 100. So we have seen already 3 examples that square roots are the inverse function of a square. A square root is the inverse function of a square. From this figure it is very clear, the square of 10 is 100 and the square root of 100 is 10. Another example, a square of 8 is 64 and the square root of 64 is 8. A square of 100 is 10,000 and the square root of 10,000 is 100. So these numbers are called perfect squares. 100 is a perfect square, 64 is a perfect square, 10,000 is a perfect square. Perfect square number is that number whose square root is a complete whole number or natural number. Perfect squares are those numbers whose square root is a whole number or natural number. Another example we can say, or another example of perfect square, it is 9 perfect square. Perfect square. 9, 16, 25, 25, 36, 81, like this. These are perfect squares because each square root is a whole number or natural number. Thank you.